I don't understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand. I will take care of the rest. बाकी सब मैं संभाल लूँगा. I will take care of the rest. Don't be silly. बेवकूफ़ी मत करो. Don't be silly. Don't argue with me. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't argue with me. Talk to him. उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Is it yours? क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? He is very innocent. वो बहुत मासूम है. He is very innocent. Control yourself. खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Do properly. ठीक से करो. Do properly. I often go there. मैं वहाँ अक्सर जाता हूँ. I often go there. He passed by me. वो मेरे पास से गुजरा. He passed by me. It's too late. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Don't make fun of him. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. I can't wait. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't believe it. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. I can't believe it. Let me see. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. You deserve this only. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this only. Just a little more. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. Stay in your limits. अपनी औकात में रहो. Stay in your limits. Consider me your own. मुझे अपना ही समझो. Consider me your own. Help me. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Don't wink. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Are you coming with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चल रहे हो? Are you coming with me? I can't even move. मैं हिल तक नहीं सकता. I can't even move. Don't disturb my mind. मेरा दिमाग खराब मत करो. Don't disturb my mind. The entire world knows him. पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है. The entire world knows him. I can understand. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. Not at all. हरगिज नहीं. Not at all. I will think about it. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. Leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Go and stand there. जाकर वहीं खड़े हो जाओ. Go and stand there. Summers are about to start. गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली है. Summers are about to start. Stay here. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. I am on your side. मैं तुम्हारे पक्ष में हूँ. I am on your side. Rest assured. निश्चिंत रहो. Rest assured. I am with you. मैं आपके साथ हूँ. I am with you. I have to meet him. मुझे उनसे मिलना है. I have to meet him. Did you see him? क्या आपने उसे देखा? Did you see him? In my opinion. मेरी राय में. In my opinion. Don't go empty-handed. खाली हाथ न जाएं. Don't go empty-handed. I know you very well. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know you very well. Follow me. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Mind your language. जबान संभाल के. Mind your language. I need an answer. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. Are you feeling well? तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है न? Are you feeling well? Say whatever you want to say. जो बोलना है बोलो. Say whatever you want to say. Don't mess with me. मुझसे मत उलझो. Don't mess with me. Pay attention to yourself. खुद पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to yourself. I will take care of the rest. बाकी सब मैं संभाल लूँगा. I will take care of the rest.